Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I haven't made a video about RS3 for a very long time, probably over a year by now. But I want to start to create more videos from now on. Hopefully, I get to make about once a week or at least once a month of one of these videos. But going forward, I'm going to focus mostly on trading in RS3. I've lost a lot of my motivation to actually play the game. One of the reason is a lot of the content is locked behind quests, and quests are like the most boring thing ever. So it's just not a good use of my time. Just being a really busy person with lots of stuff going on in my life, I just decided I'm going to focus mostly on trading. So I'm just going to log on once or twice a week to check on my trades on the Grand Exchange. I'm going to make a video about it and track my wealth progress over time and see where I will be in a few years, and hopefully the my wealth keeps growing. Um, Currently, my wealth is at 3.8 billion. Disclaimer is that I bought enough bonds to maybe like about 2 years ago. I bought a bunch of bonds and sold them for like 1 or 1.5 billion within that range, and then I was able to use that amount of gold to trade my way to now it's at 3.8 billion. And I wasn't really trading much for the past year or so. But now I'm coming back, and I want to do more trades on a regular basis. Most of my wealth is locked up in items that I think is going to grow over time. For example, the Golden Party hat is my biggest holding. So let me show you my inventory. 6, and then I have 1 locked up in my gear. So that's total of 7. I have 1 golden, or 23 in total. Golden cape, purple Santa hat 11, 9 crab hats, 6 howling mask, ocean flask. That is not supposed to be there, so change that. Um, so yeah, so Golden Party has gone up a lot since 2 years ago. I bought them for average of like 100 or 130 million each, and now it's at about 200 million. So it went up maybe 70% from where I bought them. Golden Cape, I bought them around like 20 million on average, and now it's like at 32 million. So that's like probably 50% or more increase. Purple Santa hat, bought them around 70 million. So now it's 55 million. So it's gone down a little bit, but I think given enough time, it'll go up. Crab hats, it's hard to tell exactly how much this is worth because the volume on these is so small that it's probably not tracking the price properly. But according to Ely GG, last time it was sold about 57 million, even though the price guide is at 19 million. So it's really strange, but I think it's gonna go up over time as well. And Halloween mask, it's 77 million. I think I bought them on average of 85 million GP. Anyways, I only have 170 million GP left, so that's not very much to work with. However, I'm going to start one of my strategy coming up is that I'm going to get ready for the double XP event coming up in mid-May. Right now it's early May, so in a couple of weeks will be the double XP event. I'll actually start engaging in the game mechanics more during the double XP so that I can level up and take advantage of the double XP as well as be more mindful or be aware of like the price movement, because I think the price movement is going to be a lot leading up to the double XP event and during the event. A lot of prices stuff is going to go up. For example, prayer potion. So from now to the event, I'm going to be accumulating uh, these potions at a lower price. So prayer potion, I bought 100 of these. Let me probably grab more. So prayer potion, maybe 200 more. Actually, let me try something. I'm actually going to sell them. Prayer potion. Because I want to know how, if I'm able to sell them. Actually, no, I'm going to keep buying them. So 100. Let's do 200 actually. Yay, super strength potion, 15,000. Um, then extreme strength. Not much is happening here. I'll wait for a few days, maybe check back next week to see if that fills. Biting Golden Cape, if the price falls to 30 million, I'll buy some. And then I'm selling some Golden Cape, which uh, this price is probably not going to hit for a while, but I'm just going to put it as a high order. As well as the crab heads at 54 million, buying crab head at 19 million, selling golden party head at 239 million. So selling high, buying low, and if I get lucky, some of those will fill. Might take a while, but hopefully it'll fill at some point, and that's how I'm gonna buy high, sell low. Just be patient, and then if I need to readjust the price a week later due to changing market conditions or whatnot, and I may argue for selling some of my high price items soon because I probably need more coins to, trade and buy potions leading up to the DXP event. So possibly, actually, I'm going to increase the price of this. So 44 million. That would still be a huge increase relative to what I bought them for, because I bought them for 20 million. So slightly below 45 million. Let's see what that does. And yeah, just gonna keep accumulating potions and see if I make money on that. So now I have 500 prayer potion and 200 super strength. And we'll see what happens. Oh, already buying some super strength. So hopefully when the DXP event comes around, I'll be able to sell them at a much higher price, maybe 20,000 per potion or over, or more than that, perhaps. So we'll see about that. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, check back next week for more updates.